In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio for VC firms. Attio works especially well for venture capital because it is flexible enough to model your investment process, not just a traditional sales pipeline. Instead of tracking customers, you can organize the people and companies that matter to a VC firm, including founders, startups, deals, portfolio companies, co-investors, and limited partners. To get started, open Attio from the homepage and make sure your workspace includes the core objects you need, such as companies for startups you are evaluating, people for founders and investors, deals for active opportunities, portfolio companies for investments after closing, and LPs for fund investors. Next, create a new list to build your deal flow pipeline. Choose to start from scratch so you can customize it for a venture workflow. Set the object to deals, then rename the list to deal pipeline, and create the list. Once the list is ready, switch to a Kanban view. This view is useful because it shows your deals as cards moving across columns, making it easy to see where every opportunity stands at a glance. Give this view a clear title such as Venture Capital Pipeline. Then create a new status attribute and confirm it. This status attribute will power the stages of your pipeline and help keep everything consistent. Now add your stages. Stages represent the steps a deal moves through from first contact to final outcome. Start with sourced, which is where newly identified opportunities first enter the pipeline. Then add intro call for the first conversation with the founder or team. After that, add partner review, where the opportunity is discussed internally with decision makers. Next is due diligence, the stage for deeper research into the company, market, team, and metrics. Then add IC meeting, which stands for investment committee meeting, where the deal gets formal review. After that, add term sheet, the stage where an offer may be extended. Finally, add closed won for completed investments and closed lost for deals that do not move forward. These stages give your team a structured, repeatable process. To add a deal, click Add Deal and enter the record information. Type in the deal name and choose a stage. For the deal stage, select In Progress, then assign the deal owner so everyone knows who is responsible for that opportunity. Set a value for the deal, and then create the record. After the record has been created, you can update the deal stage as the opportunity progresses. In this example, select Intro Call as the deal stage. This makes it easy to track momentum and keep your pipeline current. Finally, click Add to List. And that's how to use Attio for VC firms, from setting up your core objects to building and managing a deal pipeline. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.